there, design enthusiast. Are you ready to turn your passion into profit? Today, I have got some game-changing graphic design side hustle ideas that could help you earn big bucks without even leaving your desk. Intrigued? Let's dive in. Picture this. You could be making $75 just by designing one logo. Sound too good to be true? Well, it's not. Stick around as I reveal how you can turn your design skills into cold, hard cash. Whether you are a student or a full-time employee, dedicating just a couple of hours to your graphic design side hustle can make a world of difference. And with platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, there's no shortage of opportunities for skilled designers like you. So what are the different types of graphic design side hustle ideas? Let's break it down. First up, we have got template creation. Imagine designing once and selling multiple times. Platforms like Gumroad and Etsy are perfect for showcasing your templates. Next, there's merchandise design. Ever seen those cool designs on t-shirts? You could create your own and sell them on platforms like Printify and Redbubble. Then, there are fonts and assets selling. From typography to icons, your creations could be in high demand on platforms like Creative Market and Etsy. And let's not forget to start a blog. Sharing your design insights can not only help others but also earn you some serious cash through ads and affiliate products. But perhaps the most lucrative idea of all, YouTube tutorials. Share your design journey, tips and tricks and watch the views and dollars roll in. And for those seasoned pros out there, why not start your own graphic design agency? With the right skills and connections, the sky's the limit. Last but not the least, social media graphics. Entrepreneurs are always on the lookout for eye-catching designs, and you could be the one to provide them. But wait, there's more. Before you dive into the world of graphic design side hustles, here are some tips for success. First, enhance your skill level. Whether it's mastering Photoshop or Illustrator, the more you know, the more you can earn. Second, create a stunning portfolio. Let your work speak for itself and showcase your creativity to potential clients. Third, build a strong network. Connect with fellow designers and potential clients to expand your opportunities. Fourth, stay ahead with the latest design trends. Trends come and go, so keep your finger on the pulse to stay relevant. And finally, don't ignore your online presence. From social media to blogging, being active online can help you reach new heights in your design career. So there you have it. Folks, with these graphic design side hustle ideas, you could triple your income and take your passion to new heights. What are you waiting for? Start hustling and make your mark in the world of design. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on your graphic design journey. Until next time, happy designing!